People post stories on social media regarding this. He just wants sexual pleasure. The accused might kill the victim. Ready to have sex anytime, anywhere, and with anyone. Watch porn at least once in a week. It's totally normal to think about sex. Talk about it. It's not hidden to the people how big the problem of rape is. Not just in India, but also in the entire world. Not just with females, but also with males. Yes, according to PEW research statistics of 2014, 25% of women and 13% of men between the age of 18 to 24 have experienced sexual harassment while online. Today, sexual harassment is happening on both men and women. Whenever any brutal case of rape is in the media, people are out marching with candles and demanding death penalty. People post stories on social media regarding this. But after a few days, everything is normal. Nobody is even bothered about the victim. Will the rape cases decrease? Will the women be safe if the death penalty is given? The straightforward answer is no. We all are very familiar with the condition of Indian judiciary. The rich criminal will however come out of it, but the poor criminal or innocents who are financially weak will only be hanged. Instead of giving justice, it might end up giving injustice. As per NCB, in 19.4% cases in 2016, the accused is known to the victim. Already in India, more than 90% of rape cases are not recorded, and if the death penalty is given to the accused, then this number will go high even to 99% or even more. The rapist will not be in that state of mind to think which is right and which is wrong. He just wants sexual pleasure. But to escape from the death penalty, the accused might kill the victim. Even after eliminating these problems, if the court gives death penalty, it may take years to implement, like in the case of Delhi. There were many cases where it was found that the accused is motivated by porn, because in porn, women is shown as sex object and is ready to have sex anytime, anywhere, and with anyone. So, if the root cause is porn, we can ban porn and the problem is solved. Again, the straightforward answer is no. According to experts, blocking porn websites will be a failed experiment because it's impossible to block all servers. The US and China had tried to fight porn and were unsuccessful, and then they only limited themselves to child pornography. Whenever any service or commodity is prohibited, people try to run an illegal system as their assured of monopoly. And because of this, child trafficking, kidnapping, etc. will increase. Roughly 30% of web traffic is porn. Maximum youth watch porn at least once in a week and are almost addicted to it. If porn is banned, it will be frustrating to them. With such sexual desire, the crime rate increases rather than decreasing. Then what's the solution? Government cannot ban porn, but we can ban porn. Definitely porn is not just a reason, but the main root cause of all is sexual desire. Whenever any person's sexual desire overcomes his ethics, his personality, this leads to such crime. How to control sexual desires? Don't run from your thoughts. It's totally normal to think about sex. Just accept it and don't be in that thought for much time. Just move on with that thought. Don't watch any content that sparks your sexual desire. Use social media with caution. Meditate at least for 10 minutes. If you want to start meditation, you can start with this 21-day meditation challenge by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Link is in the description. Talk about it. There will be someone who is addicted to porn. Share this video to them. Talk to them about it, no matter which gender they are. In fact, it's better if they are of opposite gender because it will open up your mind. You can also share our video on Instagram by just posting trailer version of this video in the story. You are free to like or dislike the video and to share your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the part of this beautiful journey and make the journey more beautiful and more adventurous. Thank you and Jai Hind.